So hey everyone, what's up guys? You can see my guys YouTube studio of this channel guys. You can see how much views I hold and how much watch time I hold, but unfortunately guys, my channel is not yet monetized. I hope it will get monetized in future. One time I had applied for the monetization, but it got failed. Yup, you can see guys, I hold guys more than 1 million views in the last 48 hours, not last, yep, last 48 hours. You can see the entire creator studio guys, this guy's 48 hours views, and you can see my whole total views is 3.2 million views with guys 17.5k watch hour. You can convert guys how much views I hold, and you can say I have like 4800 subscriber, and my watch hour is more than guys enough, yeah, I think we need 4000 watch hour or somehow, but I have guys 17.5k subscriber. This watch hour is of guys my source live only. My source live goes now its highest watching is guys 3.2k or something, and my highest views is like guys more than 8 lakh plus views in my source live. But guys, in order to get monetized, my long videos is not that much viral. The main point of this is guys, I usually do live stream on what do we call this world population, and my videos is like from this game like Free Fire. I usually upload Free Fire videos because I don't know guys, I have already guys uploaded more videos, but guys my videos are not going viral. But instead of videos guys, you can see guys my shorts are going viral. So yes guys, this is it, and yep, I am requesting everyone to watch this video full, like, share, subscribe. Also, if you want to support me, you guys know that I am from Nepal, and there is no any medium to transfer money rather than a bank account. So yep, I'll be leaving here my bank account. If you want to support, you can support guys. Yep, you may give me like tips or something, or but I wanna upgrade my, I wanna not upgrade, I don't have a setup, I wanna make a streaming setup. So yep, you can like donate whatever you want, and my goal is like $2000 and all. So thank you for watching. Make sure you visit our channel. We do source live every day. And yep, the main problem in my channel that I'm facing is that my main videos, my main long videos is of gaming, and my live is of guys showing the daily population data. So I think there is some mistake here, so that my videos are not going well. But anyway guys, I'll keep hustling, I'll keep grinding. If you want to support, you can definitely support me. Thank you for watching.